Bretman and I just finished our other video and we look a little rough right now because we were literally running through the 6. I don't know, what is the Hawaii called this?
Running through the 96.
To the tennis court. Anyways, so right now, I don't know why I just thought this would be such a crazy idea to literally like, so not only have we switched faces and like kind of auras, but since I'm in Hawaii, I thought it would be so dope to like actually switch lives.
Switched lives, Nikita. What the f?
I mean, you did get a breastplate just for this. Oh my
god, are you saying I was already prepared for this?
I mean, I did model this after my own little chi-chi.
Just to make sure we had the same size.
Okay, just because they're a little bit bigger, don't try to come for me, Bretman.
I already did.
Anyway.
You can't uncome for someone.
Your tits look whack. Where are your nipples though? They be gone. Anyway, so Bretman and I will be switching and he will be, what should we name you? Nikita? Nikita? Bretkita? Brikita?
No. Nikki Man.
Yeah, okay, it makes no sense. But basically, I brought in the House of Dragon styling, my stylist.
Into the house of Bretman.
Into the house of Bretman.
Right.
Oh my god! I brought Joy up in this bitch, so we are going to try on a bunch of different looks. We have matching looks. We have lots of different things, but living a day in the life as Nikita is not easy.
Girl, she does nothing, so...
I do a lot. It's pussy scenting, walking around, running around, serving fashion, serving looks, creating slight controversies here and there, but you know, just like regular things. We're gonna look through some of the clothes and we're gonna try some on, okay?
Yes, I'm excited.
Okay, let's get into it.
I'm feeling really nervous. I mean, Nikita, you never know what's up with Nikita, so I'm either in for the f***ing dress of my life, or I'm just gonna be living. I feel like I'm already the part of the House of Dragon. Can't be ready for something you're already a part of. First of all, of very most, we're gonna have to shave her legs. Yeah, I haven't ate breakfast, lunch, or last night's dinner. That's how I've been preparing for this, because Nikita's skinny. Can you help me shave?
I'm honestly really nervous for today, but I am really excited that he gets to be me for a day and run around as me. Maybe we'll have like a deeper understanding of each other beyond what we already have. I feel like we're the same person regardless, but now we get to really add the full-on effects to things. So I think Bretman's thinking that it's really easy to be Nikita, but it's like a full-time thing. Like it's just not like a easy thing that you can just wake up and do, honey. It's like a full process, okay? Alright guys, so we have our first Nikita look. We might do more, but this is our... Anyway, so we have our first look. This was very inspired by like carnival colors, and honestly I just wanted us to be so extra. I don't even know how my stylist Joey was able to get these costumes here, because bitch, this is a lot.
But they're here.
But they're here. We're queer and we're ready to cheer. Miss Joy, what is this look?
It's fun, it's glitzy, a lot of feathers, a lot of fun. It's really revealing.
I just know I'm gonna be so comfortable in these.
No, but mine are cuter. Wait, look at this big ass foot compared to this tiny little dainty thing.
Okay, I'm sorry I'm a big bitch.
So I'm gonna slip onto this outfit as you start to shave.
So follow me in the bathroom. Cute adventures with Brad. Alright you guys, I know you're getting annoyed of Nikita's face at this point of the video, so today we're gonna do a tutorial on how to shave your legs. First step, you're gonna put it up into warm. Okay, so now that it's warm, you're gonna run your legs through it. You're gonna rub it all over your hand and all over your legs like so. Get it all over the hair and really, really work it in there. Next, you're gonna grab the men's razor, run it under warm water, and then just start shaving. Ooh, smooth.
Bitch!
What?
I told you to razor.
I know.
Well, hurry up because we're gonna get into this outfit, honey.
Bitch, give me 10 minutes.
Okay, I'm living for this carnival look, honey. Bretman, you're gonna really need to pad or something, honey.
Bitch, we already have it covered right here. We have to sacrifice my couches.
Yeah, that looks right.
Yeah.
I'm sure that's what they inserted in here, I don't know.
Just imagine this, bitch. Look at her, like this.
She's pretty cute. Bretman,
What?
you're gonna have to tuck, girl. I brought this thing for you, and these are gonna be your hips.
True.
Probably have this inside of me, I don't know. But I think that would be enough for
True.
you. Okay, we're gonna do it, and then we're gonna snatch this up.
Alright, girl.
Bretman, you're getting so thick.
Bitch, look at this body.
Oh My God. Look at those Nikita titties though. Your ass and hips and thighs are real cute. Do those look like mine? I mean, they kind of look the same, to be honest. This is literally me without a wig. I'm not kidding.
But better.
No. Okay, so you're gonna dip your head in and then throw it back.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. You think you look cute, girl?
I know, Nikita, I don't think this.
You know what? That is a pretty Nikita thing to think. Okay, I'll give it to you. She's getting into character.
That was already my character, please.
Okay.
If anything, you got your character from me.
Look at how you look, bitch. You got your character from me. And this is the
Can you move, bitch?
Bitch, you move, bitch.
I'm trying to see how much better I look next to you.
I look better. It's fine. We'll let you have a moment.
Wait, this is so weird. It's just like you're my reflection.
No, doesn't it look like we're staring at each other?
Yeah.
And now I introduce to you Nikita Dragun 4.0.
The badder one, the cuter one, the thicker one as well.
Okay, Bretman, aka Nikita Man. We still need to make a name for you.
Not Nikita, I don't want that shit.
What is your name gonna be?
I want it to be...
something dragon. If you're Nikita, you have to have like a cute little pussy scent. You need to get your wig correct. You cannot be Nikita.
I'm
with a
trying.
pussy wig. Okay, so if you were Nikita, you would have a full pussy scent dance routine to this. So I feel like we need to choreograph something real quick.
Girl, okay. I just want to first warn you that I'm good at dancing.
Okay, I'm gonna second warn you that.
1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go that way. And
Okay.
5,
What?
9, 10, 11.
Nope.
Hello? Hey.
Hey. Sorry.
Oh my God. How much food did we order?
Okay,
wow.
wait. Before you give us the food, which one do you think looks better?
I say they're right.
Bitch, I'm right.
He was pointing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, is it heavy? Oh my God.
Thank
Thank you. Bye.
And thanks for saying I'm ugly.
At least he told the
Nikita,
truth.
just go.
Don't get your feelings
Serve
hurt.
the food.
So how do you feel now that you're like midway through being Nikita?
Nothing really. I'm just chilling. I'm like, I lived this life before, I feel like.
Yeah?
True.
I mean, I feel like inside of you live this fantasy. Like it's not just like a.
No.
Like, I feel like inside of you is secretly a woman.
The woman is there. Ain't no secret.
Well, this is the very Nikita thing to do. Eat food with Gabby.
Gabby, look at that.
Why you can't handle two Nikitas? Am I wrong for wanting a twin?
I mean, the resemblance is very uncanny. Especially right now. Cool.
We look alike?
Identical.
Okay, so now that we've like lived the fantasy, we've dressed the fantasy, we've taken pictures of the fantasy, I feel like it's time to like live the fantasy out, you know, in life. Like we can't just be like this in your house. Like we have to show people how we look. Like that's part of it. Pussy scenting, Gabby knows. I'll get all dressed up like this just to go to like McDonald's or something.
You FaceTime me when
I
you get
know.
ready for those.
I know, but I'm just letting you know we have to go explore the world and go say aloha to the locals.
True. We should go get like, we should go to CVS and just get a lip balm.
I'm done. We're gonna have a little bit of an adventure.
Nikita, we switched live, bitch. You're the island girl, I'm the valley girl.
I'm just a regular island girl
Is
over
this
here.
vegan?
It sure is. I'm from Wakiki, aloha, mabuhay.
Catch me in Hollywood only at 5 o'clock.
Catch me in Ella Beach at 6 p.m. Alright you guys, so we are officially done being Nikita. We danced, we twerked, we pussy scented. I mean, all that's really left to do. We ate, got trade, and lots of other stuff in the midst of it all. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below and comment if you think that Bretman
It's prettier.
No. Just comment if you think Bretman looks cute like this. Maybe I'll shoot him with estrogen or something. Maybe that's like the next thing. I'll bring some estrogen and I'll stab him in the tip. Like just like right
Literally.
there. And
That
just
would
like,
not do anything.
I don't think it would. Maybe it would a little bit.
Sure.
Obviously, go check out Bretman. If you don't know who he is, subscribe, go follow him, or what a mom.
I love you guys and see you in my channel because we did a get ready with me.
Yeah, we did lots of things.
We did lots. We served a very neon vibe.
A neon fantasy, a tennis ball moment.
Bye, I be flying off. I need more volume up here.
And
don't forget, breathe fire, my dragons. Oh wait, what is it?
Wink.
Sorry, I don't watch your
Wink.
channel.
Bitch, I don't watch you either. You upload once a time,
Like I
bitch.
said, I don't watch your channel.
Anyways, so it's wink, mwah, and then,
Yeah.
okay.
And don't forget, breathe fire, my dragons.